Here we have a 2019 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We have the M Performance Kit, which includes the front splitter, side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler as well, just there. We have rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, with the rear diffuser. We also have the twin pipe exhaust, quick release button on the remote for the boot. As you can see, it will open just like so. Inside of here you'll find we have plenty of space. We also have a storage net just on the left. If we close that back up and come around to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full red leather interior, foldable armrest, we have the fixed ISO points, we have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Taking a look at the front again, the full leather interior, and there is a look at them front seats. We have the premium Harman Kardon just there, the electric windows and electric mirrors. We have the auto lights and the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter. We have the high beam assist just there as well. If we take a seat inside and close the door, put a foot on the brake, press the start button just down there, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now moving across into the main centre console, you find that we have the infotainment screen, where you'll find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have a range of media as well, such as the radio. If we go back, you'll find that we have the USB, we have the CD and the Bluetooth audio as well. We have the phone connectivity just there. We also have the parking sensors. Putting it into reverse, you find we have the reversing parking sensors just there. Go to the main menu, go to My Vehicle. It's where you find the technology in action for the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have the different drive modes, the Eco Pro, we have the Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus as well. Further down you find we have the climate control, we have the ice cold air conditioning as well. We also have some storage space just here, two good sized cup holders as well. We have the gear stick just there, the drive mode buttons. We also have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen as well. We have the manual handbrake, leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. And inside of there you find that we have a USB port. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.